My plan is simple. Get rich with AI. One of the ways we could do that is having an AI team, AI agents. You know what? This tool right here says they cover all those things, and it's an infinite assistant that works 24/7 so you don't have to. I present to you Floweth.io. All right, now before we jump into Floweth, let me tell you a little bit about this tool and why you need to use it. All right, so first of all, they have something called agent mode, which means it's a 24/7 agent that works and can solve these complex different problems and equations. They have a 24/7 cloud operation. That means you assign a task and Neo runs it in the cloud. Even if your device is off, it's constantly and continuously independent of your computer. You can put infinite project sizes in there so they can handle massive projects like writing a complete book or developing a year-long business plan. They have autonomous planning, which means it doesn't just follow commands, it creates a strategy, adjusts on the fly, and asks clarifying questions. They have custom agents with personal knowledge base, which means you can create your own specialized AI assistant, train them with your documents and seeds to build an expert for any niche. And they're truly mobile. Now they even have an iOS app that you can get on your phone. Yeah, so if you got an iPhone, you're lit and good to go. If you have an Android, we forgive you, but they got something for you too. Yeah, so when you go over here to Floweth, you'll see you'll be able to do online searches, which means you can search the web in real time using AI. You can upload images or videos if you want to use those to make a new game, website, anything you want. They have Prompt Enhance, which optimizes your raw prompts with AI. They have Comparison, which gets you responses from multi-AI models at once. And they have one of the main features we're going to focus on, which is agent mode. This handles multi-step complex tasks. Let's get that right now with AI. All right, so y'all see me here on the website. This says it's a midnight news. Hey, the night is still young for creativity. It updates and knows what time you're at. So what I'm going to do is I see this amazing button here called agent mode. So we turn agent mode off, and this is going to plan and do everything we want.
So, as you know, I've been trying all sorts of AI tools to help with e-commerce, but most of them only offer single outputs. You either get just one image, or you have to tweak everything step by step, which is really time-consuming. What makes Floweth powerful is that it can generate multiple sets of ad images for the same product on a single canvas. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have a smartwatch. You just upload the product image and specify the scenes you want, like still life, interactive with people, or comparison shots, and it will generate all of these ad images with one click. Even cooler, if you want to make changes to a specific image, like changing the background or adjusting the model's pose, you can edit directly on the canvas. No need to regenerate or write complicated prompts, which is way more intuitive than traditional AI tools. For e-commerce professionals like us, this means you can get a full set of high-quality ad images in just a few minutes, ready for social media or online store promotion, massively boosting efficiency. Another feature I really love is that Floweth can generate a complete e-commerce website. You heard that right, not just a single image, but an entire web page, including product displays, interactive buttons, promotional sections, and even shopping cart functionality. Let me show you. I enter the product information, price, and style preferences, then click Generate. Within a few minutes, a full web page layout appears. Want to modify any element? No problem! You can directly edit images, text, and button positions on the canvas. The whole process is visual and requires no coding at all. Compared to other conversational AI or single image generation tools, Floweth's advantage is clear. It's incredibly intuitive and easy to adjust. For e-commerce operations, this saves a huge amount of development and design time, letting you focus on marketing strategies and promotions instead of wasting time tweaking your website. Now I want to show you how to generate social media marketing materials. You know how time-consuming it is to consistently post content on TikTok and Instagram, especially while keeping a consistent style. With Floweth, all you need to do is upload your product images and promotional copy, and it can generate multiple sets of social media assets in different sizes and styles, including stories, posts, ads, and even creative layouts for various scenarios. Even better, you can tweak elements directly on the canvas at any time. Adjust backgrounds, text positions, image styles, and instantly generate new versions. This way, in just a few minutes, you can prepare a complete asset package ready for promotion or advertising. For e-commerce professionals, this means you can create the most materials in the least amount of time, efficiently supporting your online sales and brand exposure. Honestly, it's way faster than other AI tools, I also want to show you a super practical feature: Autumn 2025 Fashion Trend Analysis. As an e-commerce seller, catching trends means capturing profits. But doing all the research yourself can take days or even weeks. Now with Floweth, I just need to input my requirements, and it can analyze the autumn market and predict potential hot-selling products for young consumers. Look, I've now got 5 potential products, each with recommended colors, design highlights, and fabric suggestions. Even better, Floweth can directly generate marketing assets, Instagram static images, and ad copy that drives purchases, all ready to go live. Plus, if I think the color, scene, or text of a certain asset isn't ideal, I can directly edit it on the canvas. The process is intuitive and fast. For fashion e-commerce, it's like having your own AI designer and market analyst team, efficient, time-saving, and helping you seize the autumn market advantage. This is Floweth. I suggest you check that out. Everything you need will be in the description below. This is an in-depth tutorial. I suggest you check this out, sit back when you have some time, and start making businesses, websites, e-commerce, whatever you do. You can take these ideas and turn them into dollars, but you need to start using AI before AI starts using you and taking them jobs.
This is next level. AI is coming for jobs, whether you like it or not. This is Floweth.io. I suggest you check that out. Everything you need will be in the description below. This is an in-depth tutorial. I suggest you check this out, sit back when you have some time, and start making businesses, websites, e-commerce, whatever you do. You can take these ideas and turn them into dollars, but you need to start using AI before AI starts using you and taking them jobs. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did!